Dear students, today I am going to explain, that is demonstrate your first experiment, that is the logic gate. Its object is to verify the truth table of all logic gates, that is AND, OR, NAND, NOT, exclusive OR gate, and design all gates using NAND gate or NOR gate, which are universal logic gates. Apparatus used in this experiment are logic training board and connecting wires and lead. Now verify the first logic gate, that is AND gate. This is the circuit symbol of the AND gate. Its truth table is A, B, there are two inputs, and Y, that is A and B, is its output. When its input is 0 0, its output is 0. When its input is 1 0, its output is 0. When its input is 0 and 1, its output is 0. When its input is 1 1, its output is 1. That is, its output is 1 when all inputs are 1. Now you have to verify this truth table by this experiment, that is this experiment, logic training board. Just after explaining this I will demonstrate it. Now the second gate is NAND gate. Its truth table are this and circuit symbol are this. Its output is 1 when any inputs are 1 and all inputs are 0. That is, its output will be inverse of the AND gate, and its output will be 0 when all inputs are 1, otherwise it is 1. Next gate is OR logic gate. That is its circuit symbol is like this. This is two input OR logic gates. Its output will be 1 when any one input is 1, that is either A is 1 or B is 1 or both are 1. That is, when A is 0, B is 0, output is 0. When A is 1, B is 0, output is 1. When A is 0, B is 1, output is 1. When A is 1, B is 1, output is again 1. Next logic gate is the NOR gate, that is inverse of the OR gate. This is its circuit symbol. Its output, there is a bubble. This shows that OR gate is inverted, and its output will be inverse of the OR gate. When A and B is 0, output is 1. When A is 1, B is 0, output is 0. When A is 0, B is 1, output is 0. When A is 1, B is 1, output is 0. Next important gate is exclusive OR logic gate, which is this is the circuit symbol of exclusive OR logic gate, and its output is written as A plus circle B, which is equal to AB bar plus AB bar plus A bar B. Its truth table is when A is 0, B is 0, output is 0. When A is 1, B is 0, output is 1. When A is 0, B is 1, output is 1. But when both A and B are 1, output is 0. This condition is excluded from the OR gate. Therefore, the name of this gate is exclusive OR gate. Next gate is the NOT gate, which is inverted, works as inverter, and that is when A is 0, its output is 1, and when A is 1, its output is 0. Now I am verifying these gates one by one on the logic training board. Just see this is logic training board. This one is the AND gate, this is OR gate, and this is NOR gate, this is NAND gate, this is exclusive OR gate, this is NOT gate. This is the logic training board, and you have to verify all these gates, the truth table of all these gates by using two input and one output. I am connecting it. This is 1, this is the input 1 is connected to the input A of the AND gate, and input 0 is connected to the input B of the AND gate, and output is connected to the output indicator LED. See, when A is 1, B is 0, what is the output of the AND gate? It is 0, that is 0. Now just I am verifying the 1 condition when A is 1 and B is 1. See, this is A is 1, input A is given to 1 value and input B is given to 1 value, and its output is 1. That is, all the truth tables of the AND gate are verified. Now I am going to verify the OR gate. At this time I have given the input A and B 0 0 to the input of the OR gate, and its output is also 0. Now I am giving input A the value 1 and input B to value 0. Then its output is 1, which is the written in the truth table. Now I am giving both the inputs the value 1. Then it is again 1. Hence, in this way, all the truth tables of the OR gate are verified. Now come to the exclusive OR gate. At this time, I am giving the input 1 1 to the input of the exclusive OR gate. Its output is 0. This is the last condition of the exclusive OR gate, which is verified. Now come to the first condition when A is 0, B is 0. When A is 0, B is 0, its output is 0. Now come to the condition second when A is 1, B is 0. It is 1, output is 1. When A is 1, B is 0. It is again 1. Hence, in this way, all the truth tables of the exclusive OR gates are verified. Now come to the NAND gate. See, at this time both the inputs given to the NAND gate is 0 and its output is 1. It is verifying the first truth table of the NAND gate. Now I am giving the one input 1 and another input 0. Then it is again 0. Now come to the last condition of the truth table, that is when both inputs are 1 1. Then output should be 0 and output is here 0. You can see it. Now the last gate I am verifying, that is the NOR gate. Now first we give the value 0 0. that is 1, 1 0, it is again 1, 1 0, 1 0, it is 0, and 1 1, it is 0. When it will be 0 0, that then 1. This is verified. Truth table of the NOR gate. Now come to the last gate, that is NAND gate. Output of the NAND gate will be 1 when, what is the 0 0? It is 1, 1 0, again it should be 1, 1. Now when both inputs are 1, then it will be 0. Now it is 0. Now come to the last gate, that is NOT gate, which is inverter, that is single input output gate. Now I am giving its input 1. When I am giving its input 1, it is 0. Now just change the input. When I am giving its input 0, then it must be, its output must be 1. Its output is 1. Hence, in this way, all the logic gates are verified. You have to write down in your copy this experiment and understood the truth table and design all other gates using NAND gate or NOR gate as a universal logic gates. Thank you.